the colors.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. It's been a while since my last post, sorry about that. But as you know, it's September, so of course I'm back. And in September it's always the release of the new iPhone 17, so I'm bringing you today the unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 17 Pro.
So let's begin with the back. Here we have some things that I got this tech woven case for the iPhone 17 Pro, sienna color case, and yeah, I think it looks great. We are going to open that later. And here's the iPhone that I ordered. It feels heavy. I don't know what it's going to be, but it feels a little bit heavy, this phone. So let's open it. I'm going to put the mic here so you can listen to the sound. Let's put this away, and also let's try to open this one with the sound. Boom. Okay. It's look great, it's look awesome. The color looks great than I don't know, I saw it in the Apple store, but I didn't like it too much, this color. I was more into the silver one, but I always love blue. Also, I think that the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 15 or 16, I think, have their own blue tone, but I never had one in that color. So this is my first blue cell phone, and it looks great, it looks incredible, but it's not the same as the pictures, you know. Yeah, it looks great. Let's take out of the box. Boom. Yeah, let's going to put this away for a minute, and let's see what else. Here we have the cable, finally, the USB Type-C cable, because as you may know, my currently phone is the iPhone 14 Pro that I'm recording right now, and yeah, that was the last model that came with lighting cables, lighting outputs. And finally here we have the USB Type-C cable. It's my first phone with USB Type-C. This is standard, and finally I got it. This is so good. This is so good for me. So let's going to see what else that we have here in this box. Okay, that's it. Oh no, here we have paper. That's the only paper that it comes? Oh my god. No stickers this year. It says you no longer need a physical SIM card. So we don't have also the pin that we used to use when we need to put the SIM. But I know that that's a good upgrade, because the space that was covered for the SIM, now it's covered for the battery, so we are going to have more battery efficiency. So oh my god. Sorry guys, some technical issues here. I think the cable looks great, but why not to put a cable that is in the same color of the phone? We already saw it in, I don't know, in the MacBook Pro, also in the HomePods Mini, I think. It looks great, but you can also add that on the iPhone. So that, I think that's not a good problem, but it will be awesome that came with the color of the phone that you are choosing. If you are choosing the iPhone 17 Pro in Cosmic Orange, I think its name, yeah, you can have an orange cable, and also the silver one, and this one can be like deep blue also. How about you guys? What do you think? Let's put this away. Let's see, it looks incredible. Right now I see a lot of images also in the Apple Store that the phones were scratched very easily. The silver one is the one that is not too much scratchable like this one, and the orange. I don't know who's buying the orange because it only looks good for videos proportion. I don't know, maybe Carl Conrad it's going to have the orange one, but yeah, I don't like that color at all. This is my color to go for now. Yeah, the silver also looks great, but in comparison to past years, the colors I think were more beautiful. I don't know, this year the colors are okay, are not good. There's no black color, there's not a natural titanium that was beautiful color. That color looks very luxurious, very premium. Also, we don't have the white that it's a classic color, but yeah, this year iPhone's color are okay, not too much great. I think other years were better. Yeah. So finally I have this button also, because in the iPhone 14 we don't have it, and also this button instead of the switch also. And yeah, it looks great. It's heavier than the 16 I have right here, the 16 Pro, and yeah, I can see the difference. I think the iPhone 14 Pro it's heavier, but this is between the iPhone 14 Pro and the 16 Pro. The 16 Pro is super, I think, lightweight, and the 14 Pro it's heavier than this one. So this is in the middle of the weight. Yeah. So let's take this out. It's been like, I don't know, 3 years since I do that, and it always feels good. Now let's see the anti-reflection that Apple says that improve in this iPhone. So let's see, let's compare. This is the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro. So what do you guys think about the anti-reflection that Apple says that was improved? Do you notice a difference? Tell me in the box down below to know your opinions. That's the anti-reflection improved that they said that they made. Also, this iPhone reminds me a lot of things about other products, other Apple products, like the iPad. I think the iPad has something right here. Here is the antenna. As you may know, this is the antenna, but in the iPad I think we have something similar there. I don't remember too much that, but I thought I saw that in another Apple product. Also, this I don't know, this plate here looks like the Apple Watch Ultra, I think. Yeah, similar this plate. So, or plateau plate, I don't know what's the name. And the color of this square right here is different of the deep blue that we have on the iPhone. You know, Apple says that it's from dissipate the heat of the phone. Okay, now it's time to unbox the tech woven case. It's a new case that comes this year. This is the sienna color. I think it's going to match very good with the iPhone in deep blue. So let's unbox this. Very easy unboxing. Here we have the case. Here we have the case. So yeah, look this color. Comes with a button right here. A sensitive button, I think it's this. Looks great. Looks great. Okay, sound test. Looks great, feels great, and I think it's going to protect your cell phone good. It also comes with the MagSafe and yeah, it looks great. Let's put it into the iPhone 17 Pro, but first let's see what else comes here. More papers, very minimalist as always, Apple. Yeah, that's it. No more things here. Let's see what comes like. Yep, something sound right there. But yeah, we have it here. What do you guys think? I think it's okay. It's not the best. If you're coming from an iPhone 14 or an iPhone 13, it's okay to upgrade it to the iPhone 17. I'm not saying that this iPhone is bad. It's a bad iPhone. It's really good. It's really good. Still an iPhone, but I think it's not the best. Anyways, if you're coming for the iPhone 14 Pro or the iPhone 13, it's a good upgrade, but don't upgrade it if you have the iPhone 15 or the iPhone 16, you know. And the colors, colors were better, and the iPhone 16 have better colors. Also the iPhone 14, the iPhone 15 have better colors. This year only we had 3 colors. The cameras also are incredible. All the cameras are in 48 megapixels. We have, I think, like 4 cameras. It's the 0.5, the 1x, the 2x, 3, 4 and 8, I think it's now available. And now the front camera, it's upgraded also to, I think, 18 megapixels. So yeah, that's my final thoughts on this new iPhone 17 Pro and the first impressions from a regular guy, not a YouTuber or something like that they are always saying the same. So that's going to be all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hope you enjoy it. Let's see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.